It's a sign of an amateur when you do things that make noises while you're speaking. Just don't do it. And if it happens, redo it. I set the cup down. Oh, okay, I'll reset and go again. And with digital cameras these days, you can just keep the camera rolling and redo things. That's possible and is done all the time. You don't have to reset, put up the clapper, re-go. Don't have to do that. So it's a little convenient to reset and do it. It's okay. You're not the director, though. You're not controlling everything and going, yeah, I'm going to do retake. But you can stop yourself and reset and make sure you're talking to the director about that. Even while the camera is rolling, it's okay. It's a professional thing to do. So be a professional. Don't mush your sound. It just ruins the whole take. And your work will come across as professional, like it should be.